Today you're going to learn a highly effective shoulder workout that you can do at home or the gym without any equipment. Just because this is a home workout, don't think it's going to be easy or not going to work. By following the workout, you're going to grow. Hi, my name is Maud, and you're tuned in to Become Calisthenics. This workout is going to consist of 5 different exercises: pike push-ups, planche lean, handstand push-ups against the wall, pseudo push-ups, and elevated pike push-ups. We're going to start off the workout with the pike push-ups. Pike push-ups is a great exercise to strengthen your shoulders. It's also a base for handstand push-ups. You want to have your elbows as close as possible, hips stacked on top of your shoulders, lean forward, and go down into a pressing motion. Next is the planche lean. You want to get into a push-up position, but instead have your hands facing outward instead of straight. You're then going to lean forward with your shoulders while keeping your arms straight. The further you lean, the harder the exercise. Hold for about 10 to 15 seconds. For this next exercise, you want to walk yourself up the wall, chest facing and touching the wall. You're then going to go down while trying to keep your elbows as close to your body as you can, and then press back up. This is a harder variation of the pike push-up. You should aim for about 5 to 6 reps. For the pseudo push-ups, you want to go down into that planche lean, but this time, go down into a push-up motion and come back up while leaning forward and keeping your hands as close to your waist as possible. Lastly is the elevated pike hold. You want to find an elevated surface. Place your feet on top and keep your hips high. You want to have your body as close and high as possible, almost like an L shape, and hold that position. You want to be able to hold this position for 15 to 20 seconds. This shoulder workout should be done 2 to 3 times per week for best results. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more exercise and content.